Hello, everyone. Here I'm bringing what I think is a great functionality for all those teachers who are using Google Workspace, Google Classroom, Chromebooks, or all Google Chrome browser users, actually, which is the capability of managing the school, a classroom from actually the canvas where we are creating all the robotics projects. So let's jump right in. For example, I'm going to ask my students to end one project that I'm starting. So first, I create part of a code, which is I clear the screen and then I prepare a text. Could be "Hello World," and then, of course, we need to actually put this code, this block here, in order to display that in our hardware. I'm sorry, in our hardware, right? So I'm not gonna do it. I'm going to ask my students to finish this program. So then I'm going to save that in my Google Drive. Then I will name it test. And once it's saved, I can share that as, for example, an assignment. I'm going to go to robotics or Toky class 2, and then I'm going to create an assignment for these. Yeah. So, like, could you please finish this program to to show a hello world in the screen of the Tokymaker. You already know, Tokymaker is this hardware that can connect with sensors and actuators and use Google Blockly to make all sort of projects. So as you know, this XML is already attached in, and then I'm going to assign it to basic robotics, and I will just assign it to all my students. If you are, as a teacher, you're creating your class, then you will have, like, in the classwork, the capability, like this is one of the courses that we have that you have access completely, and you can copy and create your own, actually. um, so then it appears here. That should be maybe after assembling multiple key, for example. So as you can see, it already appears, and you as a teacher can create this kind of content and assignment. Okay, so that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed and use it for your class management and for the Google Workspace integration.